Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to create a currency field. This can be on any object you would like, but if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out new Salesforce content each week, and let's go ahead and jump into this thing. Now you're going to want to be in setup, so if you're not there, go ahead and get there. And then from setup, you're going to select the object that you would like to add the field to. Today we're going to use the account object in my sandbox org. You're going to select fields and relationships. From there, you're going to come over here to the right and you're going to hit new. Then you're going to scroll down here and you got a bunch of different field types you could select. But today we're doing the currency field and we're going to select that and you can hit next here. And there's also a next at the bottom. Now the field label is the label that is going to display to the user. I'm going to make up a name here and call this monthly income. Now, when you click out of this box or tab, it's going to put in the field name. That is not displayed to the user. You can change that. That is the API name. You can make that whatever you would like. Now, the length is very important. That's the number of digits that you allow to the left of the decimal place. So if you only are going to go up to $1,000, then you're going to need enough characters or digits to accommodate that. Or if you're going up to $1 billion, you'll need enough digits to accommodate that as well. So the length of 18 is plenty enough for what I want. And then on the right side here, as you can see, you have the decimal places. This is the number of places or characters or digits to the right of the decimal. Now, if you're only going to have whole dollars, you could leave this as 0. It could be $12, $13, $14. It can't be $12 and a penny. Or for whatever reason, if you want it to just be one digit, you could do that. Or you could have it be more than 2, but I'm not sure why you would want to do that if you're using a currency field. And for me, I'm going to change this to 2. You can add a description or help text if you would like. And you can also mark this field required for the users to input, and it'll prevent them from saving the record or creating a new record whenever it is blank. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this to my custom report types. If you don't want to do that when you're creating your field, make sure you uncheck that. And you could also have a default value come in or use a formula to calculate that. Maybe this is a tax field and you're automatically going to try to calculate tax if it's standardized or something like that. Or maybe you want it to always be $5 because that's what your service fee is on all services. You could do that as well. I'm going to leave it blank for me and we're going to hit next. And you can see I hit an error message here and it says the sum of the length and decimal places must be an integer less than or equal to 18. So because I have 20 total, I've hit an error message. So we're just going to change this to 16 because that's all that Salesforce will accommodate for you. I wanted to kind of show you what would happen there. And we're going to go ahead and hit next. Now we can establish the field level security. Which profiles do we want to see this? That's what it comes down to. I'm going to select this visible for all, and I'm going to allow all profiles to be able to edit this. If you didn't want a specific profile to edit this field, you could change it to read only by doing this, but we're going to leave these unchecked and we're going to hit next. Now we can select what page layouts we want to add it to. I'm going to add it to all of them, but you can uncheck them if you would like, if you're adding it to just a specific layout for a specific user group. And we're going to go ahead and hit save. All right, and now we're taking back an object manager to the object we're looking at, and our field was called monthly income. You can look right there. There is our new field that's been created there. As you can see, it's 16 and 2, so 16 to the left of the decimal, 2 to the right, total of 18 digits. Now let's go take a look at an account and take a look at our new field. All right, I'm here on a Burlington Textiles Corp of America account. And I'm on the details section and we're going to scroll down here and you can see our new monthly income currency field is here. We can hit the little pencil icon to edit and we're going to put in $2.02 and we're going to hit save. As you can see, it put in a money symbol here and we have $2.02. Now let's try to put in an invalid amount here. Let's put in $2.0330. 301. Let's try to save it. As you can see, it rounds down. You put in 6, it rounds it up. It's pretty cool. So that is how you create a new currency field in Salesforce and assign it to a page layout so you can edit it. Of course, you can move this field around and you can edit your page layout so you can put the field in different sections if you don't like it where it puts it in there for you. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.